So you're not gonna forgive Neliswa, you're not gonna forgive Q. Okay, it's fine, but wishing them to do bad in life, that's level 8 of witchcraft that I don't understand. And I believe Big Brother did make a good choice. I want to talk about this today. Welcome back. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment in the comment section. The actions of both Neliswa and Q, they were wrong. If you don't know the backstory, this is what happened. Q insinuated that one of the housemates was abused because of her behavior. And then Neliswa, because she was overstimulated, she bitterized Q in his bed, which was wrong. After Neliswa was evicted from Big Brother house, we are living in the capital city or the capital of GBV in the world. South Africa is leading when it comes to GBV. And GBV is not only actions against the women, but it's also against men who are vulnerable, who cannot defend themselves. We are talking about a country where it doesn't go a day without hearing a news of women being killed or a child being killed, and then you come here and say that Neliswa deserve what she's going through because she beat Q, which was actually wrong in the first place. I want to talk about this, guys. I really want to talk to you to understand, Hori, every action, right? And it has a punishment or reaction, but the reaction is proportional to the action. So you can't beat me with like just a mpama and then I'll take a gun. You know what I mean? So Neliswa was punished by being evicted. And I believe Q was not punished and not made to take accountability. Guys, let me tell you something about GBV. It's not something that you change overnight. If you don't understand, and most of us, we enable it, we enhance it, we highlight it until it happens to us. When it happens to the next person, we're asking the question, was she behaving? What did she do? And that's what Q did. It was because of you. And in honesty, you can never blame the victim. It is abuser's fault for every action that happens to the victim. Guys, violence will never be a response. Neliswa, you were wrong. And I want to see Neliswa actually taking an accountability in a sense that, okay, they evicted you, but what did you do after? Because you see that your anger could not allow you to handle this very well. If Vele, you felt like Q was wrong, why did you not go to him and speak about it and tell him like, bruh, you are wrong, this is how to go about it? You know, a victim can never be at fault, especially in a country where GBV is skyrocketing. The rates are 5 times than any country in the world. Like, we are better than the world combined 5 times. So what do you mean that it is her fault? You know what I mean? That what should have been done. And for Neliswa herself, being that violent, and especially when the person is sleeping, guys, it's very wrong. You can't attack me in my sleep. I cannot defend myself. But imagine if Q defended himself. If Q was like, I'm not having it, I'm gonna go against you. What was going to happen then? Are we gonna say that Q is wrong? Q is wrong because biologically and physically, Neliswa is tiny, guys. Like, he will win that fight. I don't know, like, the power and the strength that they have, but this is a fact. And I think that's where most of South African ladies, we get it wrong. We feel so powerful because we are angry, saying that it can never happen to me. I have power, I have what. Bruh, you don't. It's a reality check. You don't have power, and we need to do the right things in order to stop this from happening. I'm not happy. Like, I'm not happy with the fact that people find it very funny that this is the time to say Q's God is working. Take God out of this. Like, if we're going to talk about God, God say forgive others. More than 77, what, if you are a Christian. I'm not a Christian, but I'll tell you that you need to do that. I was raised as a Christian, but I'm no longer a Christian. You know what I mean? So, where is the spirit of forgiveness? You cannot forget, but you can forgive. Man, guys, you need to do better. I hate this. I don't want to talk about this anymore. So, let's just, please, on my channel, nobody deserves a revenge. There's no revenge.